What if I told you a machine weighing thousands of kilograms can fly in the sky like a bird? No strings, no magic, just pure science. Sounds unbelievable? But every day, thousands of airplanes take off and safely land across the world. So the question is, how do airplanes actually fly? Airplanes don't fly by magic. They follow a few simple physics principles. In this video, we'll break it down step by step. What forces act on an airplane, how wings create lift, and how engines push the plane forward. By the end, you'll understand flying in the simplest way possible. The 4 forces of flight. Every airplane in the sky is controlled by 4 main forces. Lift pushes the airplane upward. Weight, gravity, pulls it downward. Thrust pushes it forward. Drag slows it down. Think of it like a tug of war. Lift versus weight, thrust versus drag. For an airplane to fly, lift must be greater than weight, and thrust must be greater than drag. How wings create lift. Now, the most important question: how does lift happen? Airplane wings are specially designed. They are curved on the top and flatter on the bottom. When the plane moves forward, air splits into 2 paths. One goes over the wing, and one goes under the wing. Air moving over the top travels faster, which creates lower pressure. Air under the wing moves slower, creating higher pressure. This pressure difference pushes the wing upward, and that upward force is called lift. Simple example. Try this. Put your hand outside a moving car window and tilt it slightly upward. You'll feel your hand being pushed up. That's lift in action. How planes move forward. Thrust. Now let's talk about thrust. Thrust is the force that pushes the airplane forward. This comes from the engines. There are 2 main types: jet engines, propeller engines. Jet engines suck in air, compress it, mix it with fuel, and then shoot it out at high speed. This creates a forward push. What is drag? As the plane moves forward, air resists its motion. This resistance is called drag. Drag tries to slow the airplane down. That's why airplanes are designed to be smooth and streamlined to reduce drag as much as possible. Takeoff explained. During takeoff, the airplane speeds up on the runway. As speed increases, more air flows over the wings. More airflow equals more lift. At a certain speed, lift becomes strong enough to overcome weight, and the plane leaves the ground. Landing is the opposite process. The airplane reduces speed, which reduces lift. Flaps on the wings are extended to control speed and increase stability. Finally, the plane gently comes back to the ground. So, in simple terms, thrust moves the plane forward, wings create lift, lift beats gravity, and the airplane flies. It's not magic, it's just smart engineering and physics. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple explanations like this, make sure to subscribe.